Today we're going to be turning the light switch off of Gorilla Tag. So, you see the switch right here?
How do you get cosmetics?
It just works like magic.
Imagine not knowing how to get cosmetics.
Where's the monster? Where's the monster? It's closed.
So this game is called Trash Runners.
I don't... See, look, I have no cosmetics. Where's the monster? There's a monster? Yes, there's a monster. It's horror mode.
Okay. Where is the monster?
I don't know. Why is it so dark? It's super dark. How do you get cosmetics? I heard there's like monks. How do you get cosmetics? Yeah, because there is. Run.
We're gone.
Where?
Where's Double Walls at?
We're here. There's a ladder.
Where's Double Walls?
You gotta be able to drop it. Not drop your controller. How do you get cosmetics? What if you do hunt? Then how do you have a porn bottle? How do you get them cosmetics? Because I got it when we were able to. Guys, I can't move.
Bro.
I don't like Capuchin Halloween update. Capuchin update where they made Capuchin. The update. Look, I got a kunai. We got Prime. We should be scared, guys. We should be scared. We got Prime, boys. We got Prime. I got a kunai. How do you get kunai? I want kunai. Get the holdable up. Get the holdable.
Where do you get the holdable at?
Boys. We got Prime.
How do you get that? How do you get the Prime?
Give me your Prime.
You can't.
Wait, do you mean I have two things to that
How you did that? I have the knife.
Guys, come here.
I have the
Come here.
knife holdable.
Yeah, I do too. Good job.
Where's the
I
monster?
have one more too. I have one more. Yep. Yo, Paula, come here. They're not here. Let me stop. So the other thing I have is...
I'm gonna go in the middle of the forest, guys. Come on.
Bro, how you did those? We got pride, boys. We got pride. How you did those? I got that chip.
We got prime, boys. We got prime.
We got pie, boys. We got pie. Bro, how you did those? And I have the kunai.
Bro, how you did those?
Horror. Goo goo gaga. The door shut. Oh. Why? That's a you problem. Before this update even happened, you were supposed to get it, okay? That's a you problem. Goo goo gaga. I got it. Well, basically
Go. Go.
Bro, blue monkey, white monkey. White monkey, where is Slenderman?
Oh wait, Slenderman? I don't know.
Pickle your pickles.
I gotta end the video. My headset noise.
That's it. I'm finding.